So today is day 8 of the 21 days raw challenge. Can't believe it. And I am starting my day with some coconut water. I'm in a awesome mood this morning. We had our first weekly check-in for the raw fam for this particular 21 days raw challenge. And let me tell you, the progress reports were in. Let me just share a few of the testimonials, right? So Nathalie has lost 8.6 pounds and 2 inches off her waist. And remember, this is only 7 days into the 21 days raw challenge, right? And Rochelle is 5 pounds down with more energy. Shanika is 8 pounds down, and Shamika is 11 pounds down. Listen, there are way more testimonials and I'll share those along. But let's get back to what I eat in a day. Alright, so I have work on the road today, so I packed my lunch. Well, yeah, food. Alright, so I already ate the stuff in the top container. So there were grapes there, I eat them already. And then the other container has tangerine. So the idea is just that to be prepared. Don't make hunger catch you unprepared, especially you know that how you're eating, you may not be able to find food where you're at, and the food that they're preparing, I won't have anything to eat, so I brought my own stuff. So yes, so grapes. So the next thing I had was grapes, and now I'm going to be having tangerine, and then I also have my water. So this is what I'm having, and this is what you have to do, you know, when you decide that you're going to live a certain way, at least for these 21 days, you have to ensure that you do whatever you can do so that you don't have to go outside of what you decide that you want to do. Alright, so I'm back home, and this grapefruit look like it's about to spoil, and you know we're not gonna have that, so we're gonna eat it. We're gonna peel and eat. Hopefully it's not spoiled. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, part of it definitely spoiled, but let's eat the part that's not spoiled. Alright, so we're gonna eat the part that's good. So the next thing I'm having is coconut water. Alright, so the next thing I'm having is this nut cheesecake from Me Hungry. Alright, so let me share some more progress stories. Sashani is 4.8 pounds down, and the pain from her carpal tunnel has decreased. Lena is 6 pounds down with more energy. Kerry is 8 pounds down, and Stephanie is 5 pounds down and 3 inches off her waistline. Listen, so much progress happening in the raw fam. If you're not yet an official member of the Radical and Wealthy fam, aka the raw fam membership on Patreon, what are you waiting for? Let's make 2024 a year of radical transformation. Let's make 2024 the most radical year of your life in the areas of wellness, health, and wealth. Right? Sign up for the raw fam and get the support and accountability you need on your wellness, health, and wealth journey. We're going to be having challenges each month in those areas, whether it is the 21 days raw challenge, the write your book in 30 days challenge, the market your book challenge, the market your biz challenge, or the YouTube monetization challenge. You are going to get the support and accountability you need to elevate in the areas of wellness, health, and wealth. Right? Let's make 2024 the year that you improve your health, you lose weight, you lose the inches off your waistline, you build your brand, and you increase your income. So let's do it together. Join me, Nathalie, Rochelle, Shanika, Shamika, Sashani, Lena, Stephanie, Janelle, and all the other radicals in the raw fam. Sign up now. The link is in the description section. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, raw love, my radicals.